How to make Forky from Toy Story 4. Right, the first thing we need to do is get a spork, and two different googly eyes. These are self-adhesive ones. Let's get a big one. Stick it on the side here. Get a smaller one. Stick down here. Get a popsicle stick, and we'll make some feet for them. Let's get a pair of scissors. Get some white sticky tack. Start wrapping around the base here. Now we can attach the feet. Next I'm going to get some paint, some red and light blue. I'm going to use acrylic paint. And the smile. Lastly, we need a red pipe cleaner for his arms. And you're done. Arguably, he could be called Sporky, but there you go. Forky from Toy Story 4.